Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. In today's video, we are going to see how you can change your profile picture on your RedNote app. So let's get right into it. The first thing that you have to do is open your RedNote app and then tap on Me that you see on the bottom right corner of your phone. After tapping on Me, you will be now able to see your profile. In order to change your profile picture, simply just tap on the Edit Profile button that you see right here. After tapping on it, now Edit Profile page is opened. In order to change your profile picture, simply just tap on your current profile picture. And then tap on Upload New Avatar, and then you will be able to choose any photos from your gallery. Now your photos has been opened. Now simply just tap on the photo that you like to make your RedNote profile picture. Here I'm going to choose this flower profile picture, so simply just tap on the picture. And then tap on the red button that you see on the bottom right corner of your phone and you are all set. Now your profile picture has been changed. Very easy and simple process, right? If this video was helpful, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Thank you so much. See you in the next.